Guten Tag! Welcome to our Common Classroom Errors series. We're in Unit 11 now, and in this unit we're taking on something pretty vile. Haha, good pun, right? So vile. You remember in this unit it means because. Well, I suppose in all units it means because, but we're introducing it to you now in this unit. And remember, vile is a little bit tricky, because vile changes the word order. Vile is sometimes what we call a verb flinger, in that it flings verbs to the end of the clause or the sentence that it's in. And it can be hard to remember to move your verb around, and especially if we're translating our thoughts from English, where we never do that, it can be especially awkward. But so here's some example. Ich packe einen Computer, and then so there we have our first clause set up. Everything's normal. Weil. Now we're setting up our second clause. So weil, our verb automatically is going to go to the end. Ich Videospiele spielen will. Will are verbs at the end. And it does sound kind of funny if you translate that, right? Because I video games play want. Right? But that's how we do it in German, so just put that mental note in your mind. I'm using weil, make our verb go to the end of the sentence or the clause. Maybe something I want to add, now that I'm talking about it, that I wasn't thinking of when I was writing this out, though. When I say sentence or clause, we could rearrange this sentence, and if we wanted, we could put weil first. And in that case, when I say the verb goes to the end of the sentence or clause, the sentence would read like this. Weil ich Videospiele spielen will, packe ich einen Computer. And notice, this part, or computer, is the last word. This whole clause comes last. So the verb that would normally go here doesn't go all the way to the end of the sentence necessarily, but it goes to the end of the sentence if it's the last part of the sentence, or just to the end of the clause it's in. And this is just one clause of the sentence, one part of the information. Okay, let me know if you have any questions about these things. Danke und ciao.